Are you looking for the best laser printers? In this video we will look at some of the best laser printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HP LaserJet MFP-M23 for DWE printer. This relatively fast, over 30 pages per minute, monochrome all-in-one sells for well under $200, and its running costs, with HP's subscription consumables service, are less than 2 cents per page. And HP sweetens the deal with 6 months of free toner, up to 1,500 prints each month, via a subscription to Instant Ink through the company's HP and program. The M23 for DWE's compact footprint takes up little desk or counter space, and it churns out great-looking text, graphics, and grayscale images. In addition, joining the HP and program extends the 1-year warranty by another year, to 2 years. Home-based, hybrid, and small offices and workgroups, as well as college dormitories, auto parts and tire stores, front desks at dental and doctor's offices, and most other locations with walk-up traffic, these are all perfect fits for this little AIO. Number 2. Lexmark C3326DW. We found many things to like about this entry-level color laser printer. It's relatively fast and prints text and graphics well, and it does a creditable job, for a laser, with photos and other halftones, both color and grayscale. The low-cost C3326DW comes with robust security for the price, and high recommended maximum duty cycle and suggested volume ratings. And it requires less desk space than several other competing models, making this an excellent color laser printer. The C3326DW should fit well in home-based and hybrid work environments, as well as small offices and workgroups with relatively small print loads. In addition, graphic design and desktop publishing professionals will find this machine's HP PCL and Adobe PostScript printer language emulation useful for printing prepress composites. Number 3. Canon Image Class LBP236DW. This compact mid-range to high-volume monochrome laser printer churns out good-looking text, graphics, and grayscale halftones, photos, quickly and securely. A4,000 page suggested monthly maximum and expandable paper input sources, up to 900 pages, allow you to replenish paper less frequently, which means less device downtime. Multiple paper input sources also allow you load different types of media, such as envelopes, company checks, or letterhead, for easy access without tray swapping. This Canon model is designed for environments that print thousands of black and white and grayscale pages each month. It's ideal for day-to-day churning in a busy office. It's especially attractive if you need to print on 2 sides frequently, since the LBP236DW barely lost any speed in our duplex tests compared with its single-sided printing speed. Number 4. Canon Image Class MF455DW. One of very few monochrome AIOs, or any printers, for that matter, to earn 4.5 stars, the aggressively priced MF455DW prints well, and at a good clip. Its 350 pages from 2 input sources are expandable to 900 prints from 3 sources, and it supports both wired and wireless connectivity. You can perform walk-up tasks, such as making copies, performing configuration changes, creating workflow shortcuts, and much more, from a large, configurable touch screen. Any home, hybrid, or small to mid-size office with a need for speedy, good-looking monochrome and grayscale prints should get good use from this Canon AIO. Families with students who print lots of report drafts and homework sheets will also find it a good match.